Welcome everybody, Dr. Blumenthal back in the DC office with Natural Transplants. We are thrilled. We have Bianca, right? Yes. We're going Bianca today?
Bianca.
We have Bianca visiting us from
Philadelphia,
Philly. All right. Thank you for doing this today. We're a little bit nervous.
A bit nervous.
So we did some breathing, we had a little bit of Valium.
Yes.
I've been there myself. I was really super nervous as well too, but we're gonna have a great day today.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing your story with everybody. You have been stalking us for 5 years or so, at least. Mm-hmm. Tell us your story if you wouldn't mind.
Okay, so I really started suffering from traction alopecia when I was very young, probably like early 20s, late teens. Mm-hmm. A lot of hair braiding, a lot of hair weaves, very popular like in the late 90s, early 2000s. So I would just go to the dermatologist every couple of years, get like a couple of topical treatments, and it would come back. But probably like around 7 or 8 years ago, they stopped working, the hair loss got more extensive, it started to recede more and more. So I just started hiding it, just like wigs, weaves, and just making the problem worse. So that's when I started to research, surgical interventions. Mm-hmm. My dermatologist basically told me that's pretty much the only thing that's going to improve the situation.
Tried PRP, but that didn't.
PRP did not help. Did the scalp injections, steroid injections, literally every topical thing that you can think of. I tried it, no success. So I finally, after lots and lots of research and watching a lot of videos of women like this right now, decided to take the plunge, and I'm nervous but excited.
Awesome.
Okay.
And this is a big deal. You haven't shown your edges in 15 years, you said. So this is a really big thing that you're doing, and we appreciate you taking the risk and putting yourself out there. This is awesome.
But if it helps a woman out there, it's worth it.
Awesome. Paying it forward. We're gonna draw it all out, and then we'll come back and check on you in a little bit. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Awesome. Cool.
Thank you.
Right, we are back with Bianca. We have drawn out the line, had a couple more Valium.
I feel so much better.
Feel so much better, good. I love the line on it. We dropped the hairline just a touch from where it was before. Mm-hmm. Little subtle changes can make a big difference. We are probably not gonna be able to fill in the whole area. Unfortunately, it's a large area. I'm just gonna be turned a little bit this way. So you can see this is the whole area is here. I drew out the line where I think we'll probably get to. If we have more, we'll keep marching back. So I'm not gonna throw the extras in the trash, but more than likely this will kind of get somewhere around here. So there may be like a 1 finger width strip back here we can't get to on both sides, but other than that, you ready to roll?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, we are back. Bianca, congratulations.
Thank
you finished.
We're finished.
How did it go? Give everybody the update for how the today went.
It was actually not bad at
all.
all.
What?
It was not bad
What
at
did
all.
I have to say? I told you so, huh?
Listen, he bet me $1.
I bet you $1.
Bad, and I owe the doc $1.
Where's my dollar? I know.
It wasn't bad at all.
What was surprising about it?
Surprising was how chill it was.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was going to be very much like a more formal setting, but like we were chilling, listening to music, watching movies.
You had a good playlist, by the way. That was nice.
Yeah, it was very chill.
Cool.
It wasn't hard at all.
Excellent.
And it was a lot faster than I thought it was going to be.
Good.
I had a lot of area to cover, so I was assuming it would be a longer time, but it wasn't.
Good. How was the numbing? Everybody talks about the numbing. You were really scared about that part.
So I was scared, but it wasn't bad.
Yeah.
Ladies, if you work out, it was not even as bad as leg day. Leg day is worse.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't that bad.
Okay. Mm-mm. I mean, it's not something you want to do every day,
Absolutely
but definitely manageable.
But it wasn't
definitely
that
manageable.
bad.
Good. You did great. Super happy with the results.
Yes.
There was a little strip in the back we couldn't get to. I'm just going to zoom in here, but a little bit of little dots of blood here and there. There's a little bit of 1 finger back here. I don't want to get too close here, but a little bit of strip back there on that side. Same on this side. Little drop of blood there. You do have some hair in there, so it's not like it's completely without hair. But I think when it comes in, I think, like I said, I think you're gonna be happy with one. I don't think you're gonna need a second one. If you do, fine, we can take care of it. But I think it's gonna look really good. Okay. I'm super happy with it.
And I'm excited to see the results.
Welcome to the family. You did
Thank
great.
you.
Any words of advice? Let's say if you were talking to yourself from 2 years ago, or somebody else that was sort of looking around, doing all the research, what would you tell them?
I would say do it.
Yeah.
Book it. It's not. There's a lot more other procedures and invasive things I did to try to get the hair back that was much worse, and this was not as bad. Yeah. And I already feel like my results are going to be so much better.
I think so too.
Just do it.
I love it. Thank you so much for sharing your story with everybody. Hopefully this, inspires somebody out there. Welcome to the family, and we'll check in with you as the year goes on. And hopefully we'll see you in a year and be blown away.
All right.
Awesome. Awesome. Thanks.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.